Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for SpiegelMom Scraps. Today I am playing with some fun shimmers, mists, and a Heidi Swap color shine in order to create a nice mixed media background for my layout. So I'm using 3 different colors of shimmers. It's Jenny B Blue, Plum Tuckered Out, and Night Moves. And then this, it's like Seafoam Mint or something mint Heidi Swap color shine to create my background. And this paper is not gessoed, which is why it didn't kind of run together nicely, but I'm just adding some more water, some more mist, just spraying it until I like the way that it looks. And this paper is from our collab partners this month, Cardstock Warehouse, and it is the Sweet Tooth cover stock. So I'm just spraying it on using a baby wipe and kind of smushing it off.
Okay, so hi everyone. I am back having to do this as a layout share live because who knows what happened. I hit record, the button was red, I don't know what happened, but somehow it didn't record any of it. So I did show you how I made the background using some shimmer spray, and I am using so this white cardstock is Sweet Tooth cardstock from the Cardstock Warehouse, and that is who we are collabing with this month, not this weekend, this month. And I was trying to show you that, so this is the 100-pound cardstock, and when I did my spritzing, smushing, whatever technique thing I did earlier, I used quite a bit of water and there is very little warping, and this, I mean, if I put it underneath something heavy for a few minutes, it will definitely flatten out. So I'll probably do that maybe overnight. But this is without gesso. So I wanted to share with you that this is a pretty affordable alternative to some of the mixed media papers that are now available. So definitely check that out on Cardstock Warehouse. I backed my photo with some of the light pink paper that came in the Be My Valentine paper pack. That is available in the Cardstock Warehouse shop, and that is what everybody here at SpiegelMom Scraps is working with this month as part of our collab. That's what we were sent. So this cut file is from the cut shop, and it reminded me of peacock feathers, and I sprayed everything in the background to give it the like illusion of peacock feather colors. And this is for the Scraplift that's available on the Spread the Sparkle Facebook group, and it is a Scraplift of Dani Visser. She is the Spotlight Sparkler for the month, and her layout is just totally amazing, and I definitely wanted to Scraplift it, and this was the best I could come up with. Like, I'm a little disappointed. I wanted to do like something super cool, but I'm happy with this. It's pretty. So I used the Horizon collection from Paige Evans. I have some of the stickers from the like Joanne exclusive paper pack, and just cut some of them up. This is one of the cut apart sheets. This is a card from the cut apart sheet. I backed this with some more of that light pink paper from the Be My Valentine paper pack. It's this one. It comes with 5 different colors, total of 50 sheets. This is 65-pound paper, and it's 8.5 by 11. They do have these colors available in a 12 by 12 size if you are looking for that. I do own quite a bit of Cardstock Warehouse, so it's beautiful beautiful paper. So it's definitely worth checking out, and you can also purchase it on Amazon, which is nice. But anyway, back to the layout. I used these thickers. These are Choose Happy, and I believe they are a Dear Lizzie collection. And then these ones that are Happy Life, and I think these came with like a pink paisley or something collection. It's supposed to be gold and copper, but I took all of the like ones and put them together in one package so that I could just pull one package out. And then I just used some sequins, obviously. So I got the Hexafrost. These were kind of my starting off point. I wanted to use these because the colors are gorgeous. It's one of my favorite mixes and I've been hoarding it. I have tons of sequins, so I really need to stop hoarding it because I think I have like 2 or 3 packages of this, so I need to stop hoarding them. So I used these ones, and I also used Happy Vibes, which I don't think is available any longer in the shop. If it is, I will include a link down below for it, and to the Hexafrost. This one is for sure available. And I just kind of sprinkled them around. So this is kind of one of those layouts where it's just about adding the sparkle to a pretty page and making things really kind of shine. And so that's what I wanted to do. And so I kind of picked colors that complemented what I already had. That's why I pulled in the Happy Vibes, because it was the perfect pink color that I was looking for. So yeah. So that's pretty much my layout. I think I told you about everything I did here. Try to do a little close-up. So anyhow, I will have links down below for both SpiegelMom Scraps and the Cardstock Warehouse to the papers that I used and the sequins that I used. You can use my code DAISY15 for 15% off your purchase in the SpiegelMom Scraps shop. That is not available on the pre-orders. And I think there might be a couple other things it's not available on in the shop, but it works on pretty much everything except for the pre-orders. So definitely don't forget to use the code DAISY15 for that. There isn't a code for Cardstock Warehouse because their prices are already really, really low. So you get a lot of value for what you pay for your paper. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!